Okay.
We custom made the wrought iron grate.
So we have Frank here, which is going to give us some explanation about the security bars that we install for a business located on ground level floor, together with the locks. In this case, keyless entry keypad lock. It's very important, especially for businesses which located on ground level floor, to install security bars. New England Locks specializing also in installing custom-made security bars, which are gonna give the business the best security ever. Frank,
Yes.
I'm ready when you are.
What's that?
I need you to give explanation from our customers about what we did for them here.
What we did is we custom made the wrought iron grails, custom painted them, and installed them to provide security.
Thank you, Frank.
You're welcome. We can custom make them to any size. They look a lot better than the wire mesh covers,
Yes.
which the customer didn't want.
In order to take them off, probably you need to hook it up with a big truck.
They'll have to cut it off. They'll have to cut it off. I mean, you can get into anything, but this is going to work very well for them.
Thank you, Frank. So feel free to give us a call, toll free 866-868-5625. New England Locks, the top locksmith company for all your security purposes.